How to extract images from PDF in WPS Office. Now let's extract images from the PDF in WPS. Let's click into this PDF. So if you want to use this function, you must make sure you subscribe to a premium account on WPS. Now first of all, you're going to click on all on the down right bottom corner, like the all button. Click on that, and you're going to scroll up. Now you can see we have extract text and extract image. I'm going to click on the extract image, and then we are going to remove the particular image. Extract the images from the PDF you want in WPS. This is how you can use WPS to extract images. You're welcome.